Hey, thanks for taking a look at ApparelHub.AI. Let me walk you through how we take you from idea to live Shopify product in minutes. Everything starts with an idea. I can pick from several leading image models: Nano Banana, Seedream, Flux, OpenAI, Google Imagen. Today I'm going with Nano Banana. Let me type in a prompt. A grassy mountain valley with a bear. I hit generate, and a few seconds later I've got a production ready 1024 by 1024 image. No Photoshop, no outsourced designer, no licensing headache. Every image I generate lands in my gallery. From here I can edit it, copy a share link, resize it, or archive it. The editor lets me crop, rotate, reshape, apply filters, remove the background, or soften the edges for cleaner prints. When I'm happy, I save it back over the original or keep a copy. I can also resize for different product print areas. Everything I create builds up a reusable asset library. The same design can become a tee, a hoodie, a mug, a tote, all without repaying for art every time. Now I need a garment. I'm pulling from our Printful backed catalog, the same products Printful fulfills for thousands of brands. I'll search Gildan and grab the 64,000, a soft style tee that's a popular entry level price point. This is our designer, and this is the piece I'm most proud of. On the left, you see the design sitting on the actual product. On the right, you see the exact print area that Printful will use. What you see here is what prints. I can resize, drag, and position directly on the canvas. I'll pick a color, hit Generate Preview, and Apparel Hub pulls a high-quality mock-up directly from the fulfillment provider. This isn't a Photoshop template, it's a real render of the exact garment. And there it is, a real on-model rendered product. No surprises when it ships to the customer. Once I like the mock-up, I save it as a product. It lands in my products, ready to configure. Apparel Hub pulls every variant the garment ships in: sizes, colors, stock status, wholesale cost, straight from Printful. I pick the ones I want, import them, and set my retail price. The platform calculates my cost, profit, and margin on every variant. No spreadsheets, no copying SKUs by hand. Now I need a place to sell. Apparel Hub has a clean 4-step store setup flow. First, I connect my fulfillment provider. I'll name the store Demo and hook up Printful. I approve the access scopes on Printful's side, and Apparel Hub is now linked to a real manufacturing account. There's the Printful store ID. My products can actually ship. Next, I associate my product to the store. One click adds the tee I just built. It's in the store, in stock, and ready to push to a sales channel. Now I connect Shopify. This is where our embedded Shopify app comes in. I enter my shop URL. Any merchant on Shopify can install Apparel Hub from the App Store and go through this exact flow in 2 clicks. Shopify asks me to approve the scopes Apparel Hub needs. Products, orders, customers, I accept. Back in Apparel Hub, I sync the product. One click sends it to Printful so they know to fulfill it. Another click pushes it to Shopify so customers can actually buy it. Watch the status badges. Synced, Shopify, we're live. Here's the same product inside Shopify, title, description, all 5 mockup angles, variants, vendor category, fully populated, active, ready to sell. From a text prompt to a live Shopify product in about 5 minutes. If you're running a Shopify store, install Apparel Hub from the App Store. Your first images, mockups, and product are on us. Thanks for watching.